Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best gaming phones you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro is a flagship gaming smartphone tailored for gamers, offering cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and innovative features. Its 6.78-inch AMOLED display supports a 185Hz adaptive refresh rate and 2500 nits brightness. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, it comes with up to 24GB RAM and 1TB storage, ensuring peak gaming performance. Features include customizable air triggers, Anime Vision mini LEDs, and GameCool 9 for heat management. The 5800 mAh battery supports 65W fast charging. Its pro-level camera system includes a 50-megapixel gimbal-stabilized main sensor. With a refined design and robust build, it's ideal for serious gamers. The RED MAGIC 10 Pro is a premium gaming smartphone designed for high performance and advanced gaming features. It boasts a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, up to 24GB RAM, and 1TB storage for seamless gameplay. The 6.85-inch AMOLED display offers a 144Hz refresh rate and 2000 nits brightness, ideal for smooth visuals and outdoor use. The 7050 mAh battery supports 100W fast charging, ensuring extended gaming sessions. Features include 50-megapixel dual main cameras, a 16-megapixel under-display front camera, shoulder trigger buttons with 520Hz touch sampling, and an advanced cooling system. Its robust design and RED MAGIC OS X optimize the gaming experience. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a gaming powerhouse, featuring the A18 Pro chip with a 40% GPU boost and 30% faster CPU performance, enabling seamless gameplay and advanced AI support. Its 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display offers a 120Hz refresh rate and stunning visuals. Hardware-accelerated ray tracing enhances graphics with realistic lighting effects. A large battery, advanced cooling system, and game mode in iOS 18 optimize performance and thermal management for extended sessions. With native controller support, expanded game libraries, and up to 1TB storage, the iPhone 16 Pro Max delivers a premium gaming experience. The RED MAGIC 9S Pro is a premium gaming smartphone, offering exceptional performance and advanced features tailored to gamers. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, it ensures smooth and responsive gameplay. Its 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display supports a 120Hz refresh rate and 960Hz touch sampling rate for fluid visuals and precise controls. The ICE 13.5 cooling system and 6500 mAh battery with 80W fast charging enable extended gaming without overheating. Features like customizable shoulder triggers, immersive audio with dual speakers, a versatile camera setup, and RGB lighting enhance the gaming experience, making it a top choice for enthusiasts. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is a high-performance gaming smartphone tailored for enthusiasts. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, it delivers smooth and lag-free gameplay for demanding titles. Its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and 2600 nits peak brightness, ensures vibrant visuals and fluid motion, even outdoors. A redesigned vapor chamber cooling system efficiently dissipates heat during extended sessions. The 5000 mAh battery offers prolonged gaming, while stereo speakers provide immersive audio. With its powerful hardware, 512GB storage, stunning display, effective cooling, long-lasting battery, and 200-megapixel camera, the S24 Ultra is built for high performance and is an excellent choice for mobile gamers.